digiKam versus Lightroom versus Darktable, open source management versus industry standard versus pro photo editing. So whether you're an amateur photographer or a seasoned pro, managing and editing your photo library is key. These three are powerful options. One is feature-rich open source photo manager, another is the industry lead paid solution, and the third is a free pro-grade raw editor. Here's how they compare side by side. Okay, so first up is digiKam. So this is an open source photo management application with advanced tagging, sorting, and organization features. It supports raw processing, facial recognition, geotagging, and batch editing. Its powerful database tools make it a great tool for photographers with large, complex image collections who want a full control without the subscription fee. Lightroom is the industry standard for photo editing and management. It offers seamless raw editing, non-destructive workflows, cloud syncing, AI-assisted tools, and deep integration with Adobe's ecosystem. It's perfect for professionals who want reliable cross-device access and advanced editing capabilities, though it comes with a subscription cost. Last on the list is Darktable. So this is an open source, non-destructive raw developer and photo editor aimed at professional photographers. It offers advanced color grading, masking, tethered shooting, and extensive export options. While it has a steeper learning curve, it's a powerful alternative to Lightroom for those who prefer a free and open source workflow. Now, a quick summary of this feature showdown. So digiKam excels at organizing and managing huge photo libraries with powerful metadata and batch tools, all without a subscription. Lightroom delivers a polished, cloud-connected editing experience that the industry benchmark for pros, but comes at a cost. Darktable offers a pro-level raw editing and advanced controls for free, though it requires more learning to master. Your choice depends on whether your priority is organization, seamless professional workflow, or high-end power without the price tag. Okay, final thought. So opt for digiKam. This is for photographers who value advanced organization and open source freedom. Or we got Lightroom, so for pros who want polished, cloud-connected editing with industry-leading tools. Or just simply go for Darktable. Now, this is for advanced users wanting a free pro-grade raw editing without all those subscriptions.